Welcome to Crackenthorpe. Today behind me is a fantastic new build semi-detached property which sits in a fantastic accessible location. We're just minutes away from Appleby, we're on the Eden Valley, we're close to Penrith, we're close to the Lake District National Park, and we've got a home today here that is absolutely beautiful. Now I can't show you too much inside here today because we are still a building site, but this home is due to be completed in the coming weeks. It's at the point where a kitchen is about to be fitted, bathrooms are going in, so in a couple of weeks time we'll be able to refresh the video and show you a little bit more detail, but I'd like to show you it today because actually this is an amazing opportunity. The garden spaces are absolutely beautiful, they're fully landscaped, the location is great, and this home has got lots to offer you. So as you can see behind me, we've got a terrace of 3 homes. This one here is called Daffodil Cottage. Now we've got 3 bedrooms inside here. We've got a lovely dining kitchen, a nice lounge, a bathroom which is beautiful, but we've also got a lovely garden to the front, and I'm going to spin the camera around in a few minutes and show you the outside space because I can show you that today and it's a beautiful day to do so. But just to give you a little bit of information about the specification, it's been built to a luxurious spec. It's got a great energy efficiency rating, we've got air source heating, no expense has been spared with the luxuriousness of the fixtures and fittings here. So if you're looking for a property close to Appleby, close to Penrith, a great home, a 3-bedroomed terrace of 3, this one is Daffodil, then please keep on watching. I'll show you the street scene and then we'll go into the garden. Okay, so this is the row of 3 properties, and it's worth just pointing out where we are in the village. So we sit nicely back off the road, which comes in off the A66 and then out at the other end. So we're very close to Appleby in a great village location, and we've got some stunning views across the open space in the village, across to the Pennine Fells there. And it's worth pointing out that there's just a little bit of building work going on in the distance, if you can hear that today. That isn't normally here. So this is a driveway which leads up to give access into the parking area for all 3 properties. Daffodil Cottage, which is the one just to the left here, which we're talking about today to you, has got the biggest of the 3 plots, and it's got parking just along here. So all this gravel section belongs to Daffodil Cottage. The neighbouring 2 properties do have right of access across the gravelled area into their own allocated parking spaces, which are easily defined and visible on our listing when it goes live. We've got some well-established gardens to the front which are low maintenance, so this is ready to move into. And if you just see there, the stonework's beautiful, the porch over the door, it's just absolutely stunning. So this one's Daffodil Cottage. Now because it's still under construction, we can't go inside here to show you it today. In the next couple of weeks the kitchens will be fitted, the bathrooms will be fitted, so we can come back and show you that. But if you wanted to make an appointment to come out and see, you can do so. We just need to be mindful for health and safety. So coming into the back garden, because that's what I can show you today, this is the biggest of the 3 plots. You've got this utility area to the side here. And as we come around, this is a complete sun trap. We've got a nice gravelled area there and some steps leading up to the lawn. It's an energy efficient property, so we've got air source heat pump in there. I think we've got an EPC of around a B, which is fantastic. And you've got this super garden, which is bordered by some established trees and shrubs, a lovely lawned area. And as we extend up the garden, the vendors have created a lovely elevated seating area which overlooks the field to the back there. We've got some fantastic trees and shrubs here, so this is really peaceful and a lovely retreat. And then this is the back. So Daffodil Cottage has got the biggest plot of the 3 homes which are in this row. They're beautifully presented. It's a new build property which comes with a build warranty, and as you'll see from the garden spaces, this garden's immaculate, so this gives an indication of how beautiful inside these homes are going to be. If you'd like more information, please do give us a call on 01768 881111 and we'd be happy to give you more information.